Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Summer is here and the other thing that comes into our mind is mango pickle or amka aachar. In fact, there is no Indian that doesn't know what mango pickle is like. Trust me, if you try this Andhra style mango pickle for once, you will always try it later. This has that amazing flavor and taste and also spicy and tangy in flavor. So why late? Let us see how to prepare this. In fact, this is my first time, yet I have got the perfect texture and consistency and taste and color. You can just see how yummy and how tempting it is. So this Andhra style mango pickle is very different from the remaining mango pickle. So watch the video till the end and you'll know how to prepare this. This mango pickle recipe is given by my grandma. So all the measurements and all she have given and I have just followed and prepared it. So let us see how to prepare. First of all, I have taken 1 full cup of mustard seeds. Here the same cup we have to use till the end for all the measurements. So add it into a blender. You don't need to fry it, and also 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds. Now blend it into a fine powder. Before preparing the pickle, all the ingredients that you're using in the pickle, you need to sun dry for half an hour or 45 minutes and then you need to start the process. See, now our mustard and fenugreek powder is all ready. Now comes our mangoes. Now it depends on the quantity, how many mangoes you take. Here I have taken 3 mangoes and then washed neatly and thoroughly till all the sticky part goes out, and then sun dry for half an hour and clean it with a dry towel. Now cut the pieces as I have shown here, and you need to take the center seed part and also remove the white layer as shown in the video like this. Now chop it into fine pieces, and I have taken, and the measurements I am showing here is for 3 mangoes, so you can add accordingly. Now after chopping all the mango pieces like this, I have added into a bowl. Now in goes all the ingredients. Here I have taken Everest Kashmiri Lal red chili powder. This is not the regular red chili powder that we use for curries. So this is only the raw red chili powder here I'm using. I have added 1 full cup of it, and then half a cup of salt you need to add it. Now with the help of a spatula, stir it nicely so that all the mango pieces and all the chili powder and salt get mixed well. Now in goes our mustard and fenugreek powder. I have added 1 full cup of mustard seed powder, but trust me, I have added only 3/4 part of it. That is all enough. If you add more, that gives another vigor taste. So I have added only 3/4 part of it. Now again mix thoroughly till the mustard seed powder mix well with the mango seeds. Now in goes our oil. Here I have added gingerly oil. You can also add groundnut oil according to your taste. 1.5 cup of gingerly oil goes into the mango pieces. First, you need to add only 1 cup of gingerly oil and then mix thoroughly with the help of the spatula so that the oil get mixed well with all the mango pieces. And then another half a cup you add it and then stir it again nicely, and then take a glass jar. Now here I have taken a glass container and added all the pickle into the glass jar, and you need to close it tightly and then allow it to soak for 3 to 4 days. Now I have added till the end of the mouth, so I have again, because after 3 to 4 days we can see that the oil oozes out, so that's the reason why I again shifted it to a plastic jar or container as shown here. Now after 3 days, this is how our mango pickle looks like. This is so tasty and yummy, right? See, the pieces are all perfect with texture, and all the gravy with the oil, it's all very juicy and succulent, right? So this is the perfect texture of Andhra style mango pickle. The first thing you need to know or take care about is every ingredient should be dry enough, and then you need to add 1 cup of mustard, 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, 1 cup of red chili powder, half a cup salt, and 1.5 cup of gingerly oil. And that's it for the ingredients. If you add in perfect quantities and measurements as I have shown here, you can prepare a perfect Andhra style mango pickle. Now what about the storage? You need to store the pickle in glass containers or plastic containers or pingani containers only. You should not add it into a steel containers, because the acetic acid in the pickle gets reacted with the metal and then it gets poisonous, or you can see rust forms on the edges of the pickle jar. Now after 3 to 4 days of soaking perfectly, you can add salt if you wanted, and then you can stir it nicely and then add it into another container and store it. That's it. It's so simple and easy, right? Now try this Andhra mango pickle and let me know how it turned in the comment section. Thank you.